I'm Ethan.
I am Fallon.
My name is Jamila.
My name's Izzy.
My name's John.
My name's Jo Tanner and I'm the Student Recruitment Officer at Cardiff and Vale College.
Fi yw Alice a fi'n gweithiwr cymorth iechyd Cymraeg hanfonol yn Grassroots.
My name's Rachel Barry. I'm the Youth Development Officer for the Central Team Cardiff Youth Service, and part of that is overseeing Grassroots.
Hello, I'm Howard Williamson, and I'm Professor of European Youth Policy at the University of South Wales and have been deeply involved in youth work across the world for 50 years.
How did you find out about Grassroots?
I found out about Grassroots from being offered to come to Grassroots, as they thought it would be a lot more beneficial for me to be in a nice warm environment and take the time for my mental health to get to know other people and be in a safe, secure building.
Well, it's an interesting story actually. It all started back in 2016, did of course, when I was in high school in Cantwy in Fairwater. I decided to come to this place to try it out, of course, and I actually liked it here, of course. I've met good people, good staff like you guys, and I've just been coming here ever since, right to this day.
So whilst I'm here, I access a variety of things. There's a group on Tuesday that I'm often seen with. So they're called CYMRAEG. They help people who are young, if they are LGBT, if they've gone through homelessness, if they are homeless. Really helpful. On a Wednesday, we have a deaf club, which I'm not deaf myself, but they are really lovely people, so I spend time with them. Thursday, we have Neuro Roots for people who are neurodiverse, which I am myself, and it's a really lovely group. And on a Friday, we have book club. So we've been writing a book recently, which we showcased today as part of our opening for Grassroots.
Rachel very kindly invited Cardiff and Vale College along to support your open day today. So we're here to chat to young people, to meet other partners and just generally network and, raise the profile of what we can do to support young people.
So fi'n gweithio llawn amser yn Grassroots fan hyn, a fi yn creu gweithdai Creadigol, a fi hefyd yn darparu iaith Gymraeg yn y canolfan yma hefyd.
What would you say to other young people who are thinking of visiting Grassroots?
For some advice for someone who wants to join Grassroots, I'd say definitely come along. It's well worth, even if you don't feel like you're going to fit in, you will fit in somewhere. There is somewhere and there is some place in here that you will fit in. Everyone is lovely. Everyone is very inviting. If you're worried about not fitting in, you will fit in. There is a place and time for everyone in here.
Yeah, I think it's, for me, I think it's what I've seen since I've been here is we see more and more deaf children arriving. So it's really important that, the more deaf children do come, that they're going to meet more and more people that are similar to themselves. So yeah, more may it continue.
I think what you can see from other people in the video today is that, especially from the young people, is the impact that it can have on individuals. And if anything, I would say to any young person who wanted to come in but is a bit reluctant, just either knock the door or take that step in, because once you're here, the feedback we get is as soon as you come in, you feel welcome, you feel part of something, and you feel like you want to come back. So I would encourage any young person, please come in and give it a go.
I think the terminology that used to be used by various people who worked here was internal progression, that people come in off the street, often with struggles in their lives, and they can come in and they can have a cup of coffee and they can have a conversation, and slowly they start to move more positively forward in their lives because they get support in doing projects, whether that's music or writing or other things, or perhaps they're accompanied to the career service or other kinds of service provision beyond Grassroots. But the fundamental value of a city centre youth project like this is an open access opportunity for any young people who may choose to come in here.